In this video, we will have to see the working of strain gauge. Basically, strain gauge, as name itself indicates, that for measurement of strain, pressure, force, or we can say weight, the change in resistance with the change in applied pressure principle have used. Strain gauge, exactly the principle of strain gauge is, once we applied the pressure, force, weight onto some material, the length of that material changes due to applied pressure, and not only length of that material will change according to applied pressure, the resistance of that material also gets changed. That change in resistance is proportional with the change in applied weight to it. So here we'll try to understand the construction of it. This is the tray, or we can say surface, on which I am going to apply the various weights. Subsequently or linearly, I'll increase the weight onto it. I initially want to express my apologies because the scale should be stable at null position. That means that if there is no load has been applied onto the surface, it should indicate the 0. I have tried my best to make it 0, but I couldn't succeed. So that's why just try to imagine as -2 as its null position. But at the same time, we must observe the change in the voltage of the circuit, which means as soon as I'll start applying the weight or putting the weight onto the surface of strain gauge, below this tray there is a strain gauge which has fixed over there. So as soon as I applied the weight onto the surface, so the load indicator will indicate me the weight of exact applied weight. So there is an error. So just try to observe the change in the load and accordingly the change in the voltage across the circuit. So suppose here ideally I have given the 100 grams of weight, where this load indicator or strain gauge has given me the reading approximately 200 grams because there is an error. If I increase the weight to 200 grams, so you will find it over there, the change in the indicated load. Accordingly, please observe the changes in millivolts across the circuit. So I'll make it up to 300 grams. So as it is faulty, actually it is indicating me something 582 grams because there is a play. So I'll increase it up to 500 gram. So please observe the change in the indicated load and the change in output voltage. 700 grams. Here just try to find the relation, as increase in the weight should be converted into change in the electrical voltage. Just try to identify the relation between it. So